Hey everyone, Roddy Bergeron here, Cybersecurity Technical Fellow at Sherweb, here today talking about how MSPs can improve their cybersecurity program. So one thing every MSP should be doing or should start doing if they're not already doing is to dramatically, improve the effectiveness of their program is tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, right? So if you're not tracking your KPIs, I find you're essentially flying blind. You don't know if the investments and the work you're doing is paying off. You don't know where you're improving or not improving, and you don't know where your risks are at. Right? So KPIs matter because they help you measure the effectiveness of security efforts, and they help you identify risks before they escalate and provide data-driven proof of improvements, and they ensure that there is focus on like the right cybersecurity priorities. So like the next question that always comes up is what KPIs should you track, right? So number one thing, track security incidents per week, right? So it helps you identify trends. It helps improve your security response and let you know where things are happening more often or more frequently. Second thing you should track is number of known high CVEs that are unpatched, right? So knowing where your high CVEs are at helps you lower the risk of incidents, exploits, breaches, whatever you want to call it. Third thing to track is time to first touch on incidents. So you want to track the time between the incident detection and first action. So response times, help you limit the damage in a client's environment and improve containment efforts. Fourth thing, number of educational security hours per employee. So you want to track your average security time per employee. So you want to take the total number of training hours, divide it by the number of employees, and come up with a number. So you want to make sure you reduce like the human related security risks that come along in your security program. And last thing you want to look at is number of unpatched endpoints or endpoints that are outside of your configuration baselines, right? So use endpoint management tools to like track unpatched machines or those who are outside of your configuration parameters, right? So keeping devices updated and in alignment with configuration best practices helps prevent incidents from happening. And like the third thing I want to talk about before video ends is like, don't take KPI results at face value, right? A KPI improving doesn't always mean things are getting better, and a KPI dropping doesn't always mean there's failure, right? So like take it for this example, a sudden decrease in like detected threats could mean better security, or it could be a failure in detection system. So always investigate anomalies in data. Let the data tell you a story of what's going on and do your proper investigations around it. So I hope this was helpful. If there's anything I can ever do for you, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.